Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a partnership that could reshape the entire landscape of artificial intelligence. Near AI, a name you might know from the blockchain space, and Coinbase, the crypto giant, are teaming up. Their mission? To make AI free and accessible to over 5.5 billion web users. Yes, you heard that right, billions. But is this a utopian dream or a potential Pandora's box? That's what we're going to unpack today. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, but we really need to ask ourselves, what are the implications? I'm talking about privacy, security, and even the very fabric of our digital lives. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. So what exactly are Near AI and Coinbase doing? They've launched something called the Open Agent Alliance, or OA. The core idea is to create a shared infrastructure where AI services are available to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. Think of it as a public utility for AI. The alliance aims to integrate AI technology, payment systems, and hosting infrastructure, all while prioritizing user privacy and economic inclusivity. Sounds fantastic, right? Well, let's dig a little deeper. This isn't just about altruism. It's about creating a new ecosystem, a new market, and potentially a new power dynamic in the world of AI. And like any major shift, it's bound to have some serious consequences, both good and bad. Ilya Polasukyan, the co-founder of Near AI, said that as the global web continues to shift toward mobile users, AI must be accessible to everyone. He envisions a globally distributed network that can provide AI services securely, confidentially, and at no cost to end users. A noble goal indeed. Now, I want you to really think about this. Free AI for billions. What could go wrong? We've already seen the potential for misuse and abuse with existing AI models. Imagine scaling that up to a global level. Are the safeguards in place? Are we truly ready for this? I'm not trying to be a doomsayer here, but we need to be realistic about the challenges ahead. The potential for misuse is absolutely staggering. Think deep fakes, misinformation campaigns, and even malicious AI agents. It's a brave new world, but a potentially dangerous one. Coinbase's role in all this is to provide the fiat to crypto pathways. Think of it as the on-ramp for the AI economy. Near AI, on the other hand, enables USDC conversions between the base and Near platforms. What does this mean in plain English? It means they're building a seamless way for people to pay for AI services using cryptocurrency. Now let's talk about the tech. This infrastructure component features Near AI's developer environment, Phehla's confidentiality integration, and high-performance GPU processing from Hyperbolic, Ether, and Akash. These are all key pieces of the puzzle. Phehla's confidentiality integration is particularly interesting. It aims to protect user data and privacy, which is crucial in this context. But can it truly guarantee anonymity in a world of increasingly sophisticated surveillance technologies? That's the million-dollar question. We need to be aware of the potential trade-offs between accessibility and privacy. It's a delicate balance, and one that requires careful consideration. Dan Kim, VP of BD at Coinbase On-Ramp and AgentKit, sees Coinbase On-Ramp evolving as a foundational component for AI transactions, with AgentKit empowering any agent with a wallet. He looks forward to contributing to a more accessible and collaborative AI future. The alliance also includes other partners like Eliza Labs, Bit Protocol, Arc, Hot, MotherDAO, Exabits, Sweat Economy, and Fetch. They're all working together to replace traditional paid AI services with a user-first approach. This is a significant shift in the AI paradigm. It's moving away from centralized, proprietary models towards a more decentralized, open-source approach. But here's the thing. Open source doesn't necessarily mean secure or unbiased. It's crucial to have rigorous auditing and oversight to ensure that these AI systems are fair and transparent. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, privacy. The Open Agent Alliance claims to prioritize user privacy, but how exactly are they doing this? They mention Phehla's confidentiality integration, but details are scarce. We need to understand exactly how user data is being protected, how it's being stored, and who has access to it. This isn't just about protecting personal information. It's about preventing AI systems from being used to manipulate or exploit individuals. Imagine an AI that knows everything about your preferences, your fears, and your vulnerabilities. That's a terrifying prospect, especially if that AI is controlled by someone with malicious intent. As the saying goes, if something is free, you're the product. Are we willing to trade our privacy for free AI? That's a question we all need to ask ourselves. The alliance also emphasizes economic inclusivity. The idea is to provide access to AI tools for people who might not otherwise be able to afford them. This could potentially level the playing field and create new opportunities for individuals and businesses in developing countries. But will it really? Or will it simply exacerbate existing inequalities? Will the benefits of free AI be distributed fairly, or will they accrue to a select few? We need to be mindful of the potential for unintended consequences. For example, if AI automates many jobs, what will happen to the people who rely on those jobs for their livelihood? We need to have a plan for addressing these challenges and ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared by everyone. Now, let's shift gears and talk about another major development in the AI space, Mistral AI. Amazon Web Services, AWS, recently announced that Mistral AI's latest and most advanced large language model, LLM, is now publicly available on Amazon Bedrock. This is a big deal because it gives AWS customers even more choice in AI models. Mistral 7B and Mistral 8x7B, two other high-performing Mistral AI models, were already available on Amazon Bedrock. The addition of Mistral Large means that AWS customers can now access a wider range of AI capabilities, from simple text generation to complex problem-solving. This increased competition in the AI model market is good news for consumers, as it drives innovation and lowers prices. But it also raises questions about the dominance of a few large players in the AI space. How can smaller companies compete with the resources and reach of giants like Amazon and Google? That's a challenge that the AI industry needs to address. The availability of Mistral Large on Amazon Bedrock highlights the growing importance of choice in AI models. Different models are better suited for different tasks, and customers need to be able to select the model that best meets their specific needs. This is where platforms like Amazon Bedrock come in. They provide a centralized location where customers can access a wide range of AI models from different vendors. This makes it easier for customers to experiment with different models and find the one that works best for them. However, it also raises concerns about vendor lock-in. Once a customer has invested time and resources in learning how to use a particular platform, they may be reluctant to switch to a different platform, even if it offers better AI models. This could give the platform providers significant leverage over their customers. We need to ensure that customers have the freedom to choose the AI models that are best for them, without being locked into a particular platform. Now, let's get back to the Open Agent Alliance and its implications for the broader AI landscape. One of the key questions is whether open-source AI is inherently better than closed-source AI. Open-source AI has the advantage of being more transparent and auditable. Anyone can examine the code and identify potential flaws or biases. However, open-source AI can also be more vulnerable to attack. Malicious actors can exploit vulnerabilities in the code to compromise the system. Closed-source AI, on the other hand, is more difficult to examine, but it can also be more secure. The developers have more control over the code and can implement security measures that are not available in open-source systems. There is no easy answer to the question of whether open-source AI is better than closed-source AI. It depends on the specific application and the specific risks involved. But it's a question that we need to continue to debate as AI becomes more pervasive in our lives. A research paper by Crawford, K. and Paglen, T. 2019. Atlas of AI, Power, Politics, and the Planetary Costs of Artificial Intelligence. Yale University Press highlights the societal and environmental impacts of AI, a crucial consideration when evaluating open versus closed-source models. So, what does all this mean for the future of AI? The Open Agent Alliance and the availability of Mistral Large on Amazon Bedrock are just two examples of the rapid pace of innovation in the AI space. AI is becoming more accessible, more powerful, and more pervasive. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it's crucial that we address the ethical and societal implications. We need to ensure that AI is used for good, not for ill. We need to protect user privacy and prevent AI from being used to manipulate or exploit individuals. And we need to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by everyone, not just a select few. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's up to us to shape it. We need to be informed, engaged, and proactive in ensuring that AI is used in a way that benefits humanity. The potential benefits are enormous, but so are the risks. It's time to have a serious conversation about the future of AI. Let's consider two opposing viewpoints. On one hand, some argue that making AI free and accessible is the only way to democratize technology and empower individuals. They believe that open access will foster innovation and create new opportunities for everyone. On the other hand, some worry that free AI will lead to widespread misuse and abuse. They argue that without proper safeguards and regulations, free AI could be used to spread misinformation, create deep fakes, and even automate malicious attacks. So, which viewpoint is correct? The truth is, both viewpoints have valid points. The challenge is to find a way to balance the benefits of accessibility with the risks of misuse. We need to create a framework that allows us to harness the power of AI while protecting ourselves from its potential harms. This requires a multifaceted approach that includes technical safeguards, ethical guidelines, and legal regulations. And most importantly, it requires ongoing dialogue and collaboration among researchers, policymakers, and the public. To stay informed and make your own decisions, here are some verifiable methods you can use. First, critically evaluate the sources of information you consume. Are they credible and unbiased? Second, look for evidence-based research and analysis. Don't rely on anecdotal evidence or unsubstantiated claims. Third, engage in constructive dialogue with others who have different viewpoints. This will help you to broaden your perspective and identify potential blind spots. Fourth, support organizations that are working to promote responsible AI development and deployment. This could include donating to research institutions, volunteering your time, or advocating for policy changes. And fifth, stay informed about the latest developments in AI. Read news articles, attend conferences, and follow experts on social media. By taking these steps, you can become a more informed and engaged participant in the AI revolution. So what's the bottom line? The Open Agent Alliance and the increasing availability of AI models like Mistral Large represent a significant shift in the AI landscape. Free AI for billions is a tantalizing prospect, but it also raises some serious concerns. We need to be mindful of the potential risks and take steps to mitigate them. This isn't just about technology, it's about our future. It's about the kind of world we want to create. So, I encourage you to get involved. Do your research, ask questions, and make your voice heard. The future of AI is in our hands. What are your thoughts on this collaboration? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of the latest AI news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.